When looking at the specs on the new D-Series mini excavators, we brought anywhere from 20 to 30% more stability depending on the model. In this demonstration, we're going to show our 304 CCR versus a similar size 305 DCR, both configured exactly the same. They both have long sticks, same thumb, coupler, and bucket. We're going to show the oversized stability with a 800-pound weight. So the 800 pounds plus the tools is about 1,300 total pounds in this demonstration. We'll show you what we brought with the increased stability on the new D-Series machines.
Okay.